So good day everyone. My presentation covers linear equation in one variable. Our objective today is to review the steps necessary to solve for the unknown variable. We will begin with the basic two-step equation. 4x plus 9 is equal to negative 11. So our goal is to isolate the x. So first step, we need to move the constant positive 9 to the right side of the equation. We do this by subtracting 9 from both sides. So that will be 4x is equal to negative 11 minus 9. So which simplifies to 4x is equal to negative 20. So next, since x is being multiplied by 4, we divide both sides by 4. Then that will become negative 20 over 4. And this gives us our solution, x is equal to negative 5. Problem 2 is 5x minus 9 is equal to negative 3x plus 19. This involves variables on both sides, so we need to gather like terms. So we move the negative x to negative x from the right side to the left side by adding 3x. So gathered constant terms, we move the negative 9 from the left side of the to the right side of the by adding 9. So this result the equation 5x plus 3 is equal to 19 plus 9, which simplifies into 8x is equal to 28. So by simplifying the fraction, we get the solution x is equal to 7 over 2. So our final example, problem 3 is x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 4 is equal to 44. So x plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 44. So we multiply the 2, we multiply the 2 by each term inside the parentheses. So 2 times x, that will become a 2x, and 2 times 4, that will become a positive 8. X equal to 44. So we combine like terms. This gives us 3x plus 8 is equal to 44. Then we isolate the variable term. We subtract 8 both sides, so that will become 3x is equal to 44 minus 8, which simplifies 3x is equal to 36. So we divide both sides by 3, and that will be our final solution is x is equal to 12. And that's all for this video. Thank you.